I started driving truck 3 years back. I love driving very well, so it's what I wish to do. My name is Amalade. I'm a female truck driver. I started driving truck 3 years back. I learned how to drive truck around along Aja area, Eleko as it to Ijebu. So that is the area I learned how to drive truck. I drove from Ogun State. The longest distance I've went to. So I've went to Akure. I usually go to Akure alone and Oshogbo, but I've went to Gombe State before. So I drove it's not my truck, but I drove there down there. So though it was not, I'm not the only one. I'm not afraid of the length of the truck, all because right from the beginning I don't really like her. So all my focus is truck. So it's what I wish to do. That is why I'm not scared of it, of driving a truck. I love driving very well. So it's what I wish to do. Driving is my passion. So I don't even know what lead me to it. But driving is what I like most, like my hobby. I stopped in SS3. So it's when I finished my education. So that is when I told my friends that I want to learn how to drive truck. So there was that, and I told my family too. So they was like, okay. They even think I was joking. So when they say I'm serious, because they asked me not to do it, or when they say I'm serious, I was like, okay, go ahead. At the first place, my parents were scared, but when they see that is what I love to do, and it's my passion, so they asked me to go ahead.
Okay.
When they see that I love driving, and when they're saying I should not drive it, they see that I didn't even, answer them. So they was like, okay, I should go ahead, since it's what I want to do. Most of my friends, they were like, maybe I'm just using it to, maybe play or just for fun. So they don't know I was serious about it. Most of them were saying, this is not my work. I shouldn't be doing this at this time. So now all of them are, coming to me that they want to learn. They want to learn. But when I first started, they were discouraging me that that is not my work. Women are not meant to do it. There are many challenges. I don't really see it as challenges, because it's what I love to do. So there's many challenges, like maybe if you are driving distance, like a busy area, if you want to pee, so a lot of eyes will be there. So that is one of the challenges. And at times, maybe if you are going, maybe you have flat tire, all those your vehicle will break down. So those are the challenges. For me, I see everything as my daily work. Let me put it like this.